Spiced pecans are delicious. They're also an essential part of my most favorite pie, but that's a different episode. Stay tuned. As for now, let's go ahead and learn how to make this delicious Christmas specialty. Good for snacking, good for munching, great for pie. That's what we're doing today on Chow Time. Where is my chef shirt? I need my chef shirt. Recipe is in the description. I'm gonna combine some things because they go in together first. You could do it all in one bowl in the first place, but it wouldn't look as cute. Start with your pecans in a pan. Heat on medium. We gotta toast them suckers. That is key. It doesn't take long, so do not leave. Don't do it. You will smell when they are ready. A roasty, nutty smell. Delicious.
That smells good. It must be ready. Oh, nuts.
Add the cayenne, cumin, and salt. You gotta have salty nuts. Everyone loves salty.
Stop! It's been done before. You aren't being clever yet, you idiot.
I received that. Gee, now my nuts are roasted. Oh, thank you. Everything is better with butter. So go ahead and grease up the roasted salty pecans, because they are no exception to the better with butter rule. Much like myself, oranges are full of zest and pithy. When you zest, don't get pithy. It tastes sour. I'm kind of a stickler. I don't use cinnamon enough to keep a ground supply on hand, so I have to grind it fresh, which actually I microplane, as you can see. It works, but it's slow going. Worth it though. Fresh cinnamon is legit. And then the brown sugar. I like light and dark because I have pants, and those pants are super fancy. I have fancy pants. And I roll with 2 kinds of brown sugar. Ow! Why do you taste so good? Because there are 2 types, that's why. A wee bit of water to get my nuts coated in that sweet brown sugar.
Too far, bro.
To coat the pecans in the sweetened, spiced super slurry. It just ensures even coating of all the pecans. How do you all say it? Pecans or pecans? I'm in Texas, so there is some variety. Surprisingly little liberty, though, amongst, each side. People believe firmly it is one or the other. The pecans are already good to go, so as soon as they look nice and sticky, slap them nuts on some parchment. Ow!
Ooh-wee, look what we got here.
We are all ready. These are delicious. These are done. These are ready for pie. Thanks so much for watching. Come on back next time.